Imagine building a train station or a military base without a solid technical foundation. It's impossible to make informed decisions without mastering core concepts like structural analysis and material science. But technical knowledge alone isn't enough. Engineers must think creatively to solve unexpected problems, like strict deadlines and unique design requirements in military projects. Effective communication is crucial. An engineer might have the best idea, but if they can't explain it clearly, it won't succeed. Clear communication ensures everyone is aligned and working toward a common goal. Managing time, budget, and scope is a balancing act. Engineers who can juggle these constraints while maintaining quality are true professionals, ensuring projects stay on track. Collaboration is key. No one builds a train station alone. Respecting the contributions of others and working together toward a shared vision leads to successful outcomes. Attention to detail is non-negotiable. Small mistakes can lead to big problems, so engineers must ensure every detail is accounted for to prevent costly and dangerous errors. Adaptability is essential. No project goes exactly as planned. Engineers who can adapt to changing circumstances without losing focus are the ones who thrive. Lifelong learning keeps engineers ahead of the curve. Continuous education through certifications, workshops, and staying curious is vital to remain competitive in the evolving field. Zabihullah Ibrahimi believes that combining technical expertise, creativity, and interpersonal skills leads to engineering excellence. These skills contribute to transformative projects that shape the future. Great engineers combine precision with passion and adaptability with a commitment to lifelong learning. They navigate challenges and make a meaningful impact on the world.